Welcome back, all you warriors. Another episode, Lee Landscapes Life Stories. Beautiful day. It is October 17th, I believe now. And yeah, I've had this jingle in my head for like a week now. And it's something I haven't sang since I was a child. It's a song that goes, this is the day that the Lord has made. So, for some reason, I've had that jingle in my head for the last week. And if you look around and pay attention to your earth, to your actual world, not the social media world, this is always a beautiful day, no matter what the weather is, because everything has a purpose. You have a purpose. So every day you wake up in the morning, have that little jingle in your head. This is the day that the Lord has made. And go out there and make the best of it. Now, I'm here by myself today, and I'm getting started at 11 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're going to see how much a solo man can make just mowing grass by the time the sun goes down. It's your world, and you're in control. Just remember that. Let's get some grass mowed. So we're right on schedule, right on time, and I have bid these places perfect because that took me 1 hour, and it's $80, and it was solo. So, hey, one thing I do want to point out to you guys in life, even though I'm not religious, I don't go to church. I have a nice personal relationship with the Creator, and that's the most important thing. If you can have that relationship with the Creator and let Him know that you are thankful for everything that He's provided, it goes a long ways in your perspective, your perception that you see everything in. And so I encourage you, however you need to do it, go up on top of a mountain, go to your local stream, sit in your room, your quiet place, or go to church. But find that relationship with God, and life seems to just be good all the time. Regardless of your downs and ups and downs and ups, God lets you see it through His eyes, which is always the good. Hey, let's roll out one more place, and 3 more places, maybe 4, but one nice big place. Let's go. So I was talking to my buddy Ray yesterday, and we were talking about going through the different seasons of sacrifice that's necessary to get you to the point of comfort, okay, and satisfaction on what you built for yourself. You'll go through the first set of clients that are just low-grade jobs, low-pay jobs, and they're usually not easy jobs, okay? You'll go through all those phases. You'll go through the nasty yards that you don't really enjoy showing up to, but they pay bills, right? You'll go through getting those good clients and then losing those good clients. There's all sorts of ups and downs on this journey of being an entrepreneur in your own world. And in my opinion, you're going to go through 5 years right off the bat of just hardcore, just season of sacrifice. You're going to sacrifice every ounce of energy you have. You're going to sacrifice every minute you have. And hopefully you won't sacrifice your relationships with people that you need in your life and your loved ones to the point where they get angry. All right, now, if they do love you and they are around you, they will understand that you are going to be consumed. Because if you're not consumed when you very first start off for the first 5 years, your business will fail. You will fail. And you'll chalk that up to a lesson learned, and hopefully you'll learn from your mistakes and try again. I've never given up my dreams of freedom, of being my own boss, and being in control of my own time. I started off my very first partnership LLC at the age of 22. And then I had my very first incorporation at the age of 26. And this is my 3rd adventure. So, yeah, you're going to learn lessons along the way, and you're going to fail. You'll fail plenty of times, and you'll hit the restart button over and over again. But learn from everything that goes on. Pay attention on things that matter when it comes to your happiness, because those first 5 years are rough. Bottom line is, if the people that you live around, that you want to do business with, don't know you exist, if they don't know, you won't grow. Your business will never grow. So I say flyers, 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 door hangers, door hangers, door hangers. Find those neighborhoods that are upper class in income, upper class in landscaping possibilities. And if you have to drive 20, 30 minutes away from your house, who cares? I'll drive 20 minutes out here to make $210 in under 3 hours. People in the real world have to work a day and a half at the very least, and that's the people that you depend on every day. The people at Starbucks that make your coffee, the people at the gas station that check you out, the people at the grocery store that restock all the food for you. These people don't make much money. So understand that this is a blessing. This lifestyle is a blessing, and you have to bust your ass to earn it. If you bust your ass to earn it, God gives you everything you need and way more than you ever expected. I got a lot of grass to mow, so I gotta stop talking. The turf tiger is ready to roll, and it doesn't care if I'm solo. Neither do I. I'm gonna keep on doing it no matter who's out here helping. Have that same attitude and you'll be successful. I'll be back. Alright, so it's been an hour and 45 minutes. It took me to mow the entire place with the turf tiger. Now it's time to grab the awesome Honda push mower. Boom. Which is in the back of the truck. So I should be alright. I ain't that old. I can lift that thing up and down out of the back of a pickup truck. I mean, come on, man. Have faith in me. I did have the soulmate help me load it up this morning, though. Be careful in the mornings. You'd be stiff after a long, hard 10-hour day out here working hard, especially when you're by yourself. I'll see what's going on in the backyard, and maybe we'll get some footage back there. Beautiful place. I've taken y'all there many times. It's a little secret garden area, and we'll see how it's looking. I haven't been back there personally a couple weeks now, so hopefully the boys been taking care of it. 2.5 hours, 280. Squeezed in a little $70 extra service today, and feeling good. Yeah, it's just beautiful, beautiful day out, and there's no worries, man. It doesn't matter who is out here helping me or who is out here not helping me. Life carries on, guys. You'll see, the longer you're in business, the more things change. You look around every 5 to 8 years, everything's different. All your accounts, all your equipment, all your employees, everything, except for your family, your amazing mind, and the almighty creator. It's about it. It's the only constant you have in life. So I'm gonna keep on rolling, trying to make that money. My goal is always 500 by myself, and that's 290 and 80, so 370. Yeah, something like that, maybe. I'm gonna keep on rolling. I'll check back in. Come on. So I was on to my third place, and it looked like I had just mowed it like yesterday. So kept on rolling on, and I'm at my fourth stop today. Just got done watering all these fall beautiful mums in, and I'll show you real quick before I take off to my last destination, and show you how beautiful these colors are. It's the 420 break. We all love that one. So this is my last property, and kudos to me, because when I finish it, it'll be $550 for the day. And remember, I slept in till 8:30. I drank my coffee, chilled in my garage, jumped in my truck, mowed grass from 11 to, I don't know, 5:30 or something. Maybe an hour to finish this place. So that being said, I'm going to enjoy this last little ride, and I'll see you guys back at the lair for more talk about the dark side of lawn care. Come on, let's go. So now it's 5:20. It took me about 50 minutes to get this place mowed, and now I have to run through and quickly weed eat and do some blowing, but for the most part, the mower cleaned everything up. There's not a whole lot of blowing. I already did the roadways with the mower, and under the trees are nice and clean. Yes, sir. So here you go, the mic drop. The darkest side of lawn care is the fact that on your adventures, your journey down your path, you get exposed. Every single weakness that you have gets exposed along the adventure. So if you're not ready for that up here, and you don't have any support around you, you ain't gonna make it. The darkest side of lawn care, exposing all your weaknesses. and overcoming them to be a successful warrior in the end. Y'all be good if you can. Always be kind. Above all, love each other. Peace. Lead landscape style.